Hi there. Looking to elevate the properties of your carbon materials? Discover our groundbreaking thermal technology changing the way you approach graphite. We offer a one-of-a-kind lab service using a cutting-edge reactor. Engineered to deliver fast purification and graphitization under extreme conditions. Ramp-up rate up to 1,000 degrees Celsius per minute. Processing temperature up to 3,000 degrees Celsius. Residence time from 5 to 60 minutes. Simply transforming carbon into ultra-pure graphite in a lab. Contact us today to find out how we can enhance your graphite's quality.